Okay, we're going to continue cabinet oblique using straight lines blocks. We're going to refer again to handout 45. We're going to do exercise 14, which is this drawing over here. Okay, question 14 is the one under here in the corner, page 45. I changed the measurement of, instead of 76, I did it 80 to be straightforward. Okay, so we're going to use the same paper. We're going to work under. We're going to do a line of 1 to 7 because the drawing is 1 to 7 in length. The height is 50. So we always start by drawing a straight face. So 1 to 7 by 50. Using again 45 degrees. As we said, the depth is 80 millimeter. We're going to do it 40. In this situation, the inclination, I'm going to do it to the left. So we'll have more information. From each corner, 45 degrees and 40 millimeter. And I'm going to join. For now, I created what we call a wireframe. Okay, so the drawing is going to fit over there. Okay, with the outline, I can straight away draw the profile in the front. Here we have 67. Okay, the step is 22 height. Okay, so this is as if I'm doing a normal orthographic. Okay, till there it's ready. Now with the 45 degrees, this part I can do with outline straight away. Even here, I can prepare all the corners. Although part of them they're gonna be, I have to rub part of the drawing. But for now, to make things easy for you to understand, I'm gonna join the whole drawings. For now, it's like a two-step drawing. We're gonna focus on this part. Here we have a recessed, which is part missing. We're gonna move 28 millimeter. I'm gonna work with the construction for now. From here, I'm gonna move 25 millimeter, and I'm gonna prepare. So 25. Wait, I'm gonna do 25. I did a circle. Issa, the 25 is gonna be division by 2, as we said. So to make it straightforward, I'm gonna do it 12 millimeter. Okay. So 12 millimeter. And from here, I'm going to draw a horizontal line. I'm going to measure another 12 millimeter from down under, from here. And I'm going to draw another horizontal line. The handout is showing me the drawing that I have to measure 28 millimeter there. And the 28 millimeter is going to remain 28 millimeter because it is not done with the 45 degrees. So from here, I just measure 28 millimeter. And now with the 45 degrees. Okay, perfect. So with the outline, I can do the outline like this. Okay, I go down because the recessed is still there. I do a vertical line here to represent the depth, and I do a horizontal line. For now, we are done. I need to remove this line, trim. Okay, and I did this part, which is recessed. It means it is subtracted from the main block. Now in front here we have a border. The thickness of the material is 12 millimeter, and we're going to use the same principle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure 12 millimeter from here, 45 degrees. I just draw the line, but from here the depth, since it is at 45 degrees, I'm not going to do it 12, I'm going to do it 6. So I'm going to measure 6 with the ruler on this line, and then I'm going to draw a horizontal line. In your case, you don't need to do the circle, just measure with a ruler. Here 6 millimeter as well, because originally it is 12, and I'm going to draw a horizontal line there as well. Okay? Now I have the profile of that, the front part, with the outline, and pencil HB preferably. I'm gonna outline this part. Okay? The height is 22, which is equivalent to that measurement. Okay, basically we're almost done. Some trimming, that is, we need to remove this line and that line, and the drawing is done. So basically the cabinet oblique, always with the same principle. We leave the measurements normal. The front view is done as if we're doing an orthographic projection. Always we do the front, the front view will be always the front view. Then the depth will always be division by 2, and always with 45 degrees angle. Do not use 30 or 60 degrees. Always 45 degrees. This method, it is pictorial as well, that is, we're doing 3D models, but the method of construction, as you're noticing, is different from isometric. So make sure you don't mix up the methods. If in an exam they will ask you to do an isometric, you have to use 30 and 30 degrees. If you are asked to draw a cabinet oblique, then you use this method, which is 45 degrees, and you do division by 2, the measurements on the 45 degrees. So for now, for the first part, we did 2 drawings. As you're noticing, the drawings are all made up from straight lines. Take time to understand and design the drawing. Next lessons, we're gonna tackle drawings which involve a slope. Okay? Thank you.